So hello students, welcome to this video, and this video is the second part of MCQs from topo sheets. Okay, so in this video, first question here we have, students, the Survey of India is the national survey mapping organization of the country under the. Okay, so as you know that Survey of India is an organization which make the topographical maps. Okay, but students, you know that this Survey of India is also comes under a ministry. Okay, so options are Ministry of Science and Technology, Minister of Home Affairs, Minister of Tourism, and Minister of External Affairs. Okay, so there are four options. So students, your correct option is Ministry of Science and Technology. Okay, in your book it is given. So now question number 2, your question number 2 is green color on the map indicates. Students, you know that different colors are used to show different features on the topographical map. So here it is asked in your question number 2 that green color on the map indicates. So four options are here. First option, cultivable land. Second option, forest area. Third option, uncultivable land. Fourth option, permanent settlements. So out of these four options, only one option is correct. So students, what is the correct option, or which is the correct option? It is green color indicates forest area. Okay, it is forest area. Here students, for cultivable land there is yellow color, and for uncultivable land there is white color, and for permanent settlement there is red color. Okay, you are already familiar with this. So green color is for forest area. Now let us move to the third question. Your third question is settlements found in the cities. So students, you have learned about the settlements, right? There are three kinds of settlements: scattered settlement, which is also called dispersed settlement, then linear settlement, then clustered settlement, or nucleated settlement, which is also called nucleated settlement. So in the city, which types of settlements are found? Okay, so four options are given. First option, option number 1, scattered or dispersed settlements. Second option, linear settlements. Third option, clustered or nucleated settlements, and your fourth option is all of these. So students, you know that in the cities people live very closer to each other. They make their buildings or their houses very closer to each other. So that's why your option number 3rd will be the correct option. It is clustered or nucleated settlements found in the cities. Okay, scattered settlements are found in the forested area or the area where people do agriculture. Okay, it means the agricultural area. Then linear settlements are found. Okay, I will tell you later about it. Okay, because we have one question related to these this linear settlements. So now students, we are moving to the next question, that is question number 4, and your question number 4 is a drainage pattern in which rivers originate on a dome or volcanic cone and flow to the different direction, forming a pattern of spoke. So students, a drainage pattern in which river originate on the dome or the volcanic cone or the hilly region. Okay, and from there these rivers flow to the different directions. Okay, suppose river is originated somewhere here. Okay, one river is originated here and it moves to this direction. It means it flows to that direction. And one river is originated here and it flows to this direction. One river originated here and it flows to this direction. So students, this type of drainage pattern is. So now students, here we have options. First option, radial. Second option, trellis. Third option, dendritic. And fourth option, spokes. Okay, so the correct answer is radial pattern. It is called radial pattern. The drainage pattern is like this. Then this is dendritic. And if students, if streams or tributaries join to the main river by making angle of 90 degrees, then that is trellis. But so for this answer, your correct option is radial. Okay, radial pattern. So now students, let us move to the question number 5. Your question number 5 is presence of these shows that area get seasonal rainfall. So students, presence of these on the topographical map shows that region get seasonal rainfall. So options are: first option, bridge. Second option, causeway. Third option, here we have meanders, and fourth option we have track. So students, So students, your correct option is, can you guess? It is causeway. Okay, causeway. So students, you know what is the meaning of bridge. And if you talk about the meanders, meander is nothing but it is loop made by the river. Okay, and pack track is the track through which people travel by their foot or animal travel by their foot. In Hindi we say pagdandi. Okay, so your correct option is causeway. Okay, so now students, let us move to the question number 6. And your question number 6 is presence of dry streams. Okay, presence of dry streams. Okay, then exposed river beds. Okay, exposed river beds, typing mistake here. Broken lands shown in black indicates area with. Okay, if on the topographical map, if there is dry streams or there are dry streams and exposed river beds or broken lands, and which is shown by black color or which is indicated by black color, it means it 4 options. The area receives heavy rainfall, the area has extreme climate, the area has scanty of rainfall, or none of this. Okay, so students, here it is very easy to get the correct answer. So dry streams, dry stream means less rainfall. Exposed river beds means of course less rainfall. Okay, then broken lands also due to less rainfall. Okay, so your correct option will be scanty of rainfall. Okay, so on the topographical map, if dry streams are shown or exposed river beds are shown or broken lands are shown and they are shown in black color, that indicate that area receives very less rainfall or scanty of rainfall. Now students, let us move to the next question, that is question number 7. And your question number 7 is, a meandering river shows. Meandering means, as I told you in previous question, that meander means loop made by the river. So the river make loop in this way, and this is called meanders. Okay, so meandering river shows flat land, loose soil, rocky areas, or hilly region. So which is the correct answer, or which is the correct option? So students, meandering river shows flat land. What? Flat land. So correct option will be your flat land. Okay, this is your correct option. So now students, let us move to the question number 8. And your question number 8 is, presence of artificial or man-made lakes in topo sheet with a embankment shows that, first option, water is being stored in the off season and is used for irrigation through canals. Option number 2, scanty of rainfall in this area. Option number 3, advancement of science and technology. Option number 4, people of the area need extra water. Okay, need extra water. So if on the topographical map artificial or man-made lakes are there and with embankment, okay, that region will indicate, or that region that will indicate that the region is, so that indicates that water is being stored in off season and is used for irrigation through canals. Okay, you have to keep in your mind. Now we are moving to the last question, that is question number 10. As you know that this is the series of top 10 MCQs. So question number 10 is, linear settlements are found. Linear settlements are found in which type of area? Cities, first option. Second option, forested area, it means forest area. Third option, villages. Or fourth option, either side of road, river, or railway tracks. Okay, so what is the meaning of linear settlements? Linear settlement is that settlement where people's house or buildings are in a line. As you know that meaning of linear is line, so line settlement. So especially these type of settlements are always found on either side of the road, river, or railway track. So your correct option will be option number 4, that is either side of road, river, or railway track. So students got it, linear settlements are always found on either side of the road, river, and railway track. So by this we have finished our top 10 MCQs, and that is, this one was part 2 video. So here something is written, students. Here it is written, subscribe to Geopedia and press the bell icon.